before you chase big returns, before you worry about investing. There are 3 quiet money moves that build more wealth than anything else. Most people skip them, but the people who take them seriously usually end up with a stronger financial future. Let's walk through them together. Hello everyone, this is Adifemi. Thank you for being here. Today's message is simple and powerful. These are the first 3 money moves that genuinely move your finances forward. They don't require a high income, it's just consistency. Know where your money goes. You can't grow what you don't understand. Track your expenses for the next 30 days, every card payment, every small purchase. Once you see the pattern, you gain control, and control creates momentum. Build a strong safety cushion before investing. You need breathing space. Your safety cushion protects your progress when life surprises you. Start small. Even $100 saved is a quiet victory. Your cushion is more than money. It's stability, and stability builds courage. Automate your growth. People who grow wealth consistently rely on systems. Automate your savings. Automate your investment transfers. Automate your important bills. When your money moves without stress, you grow without pressure. If you begin with these 3 moves, everything else becomes easier. Clarity, stability, consistency. And when you're ready for investing or building new income streams, you will feel prepared, not overwhelmed. Thank you for watching, and as always, grow wisely. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Wealth Seedling for more guidance.